The Stone Secrets of Sivas. Sinan, look, cried Alara as their train pulled into the station. Sivas, the city of heroes, was waiting. It sat high on the Anatolian plateau, a place where history was written in stone. Did you know Sivas was a capital for the Seljuk Sultanate centuries ago? Their first stop was the central square. Sivas is famous for its incredible Seljuk architecture. Wow, the Sifting Minareli Medrese, Sinan whispered. Its twin minarets reached for the sky, guarded by intricate stone carvings that told tales of long ago. Ilara spotted something else. Nearby stood the elegant Buruciye Medrese, a building that once held ancient libraries and scholars. But history wasn't the only thing Sivas was known for. We have to go find the famous shepherds, she insisted. They traveled west to learn about the mighty Kangal dogs. These powerful, gentle giants are famous worldwide for protecting livestock from bears and wolves. Their strong, proud stance made them look like ancient guardians of the plateau. Now for a surprise, said their guide. They visited the Sivas Balikli Kaplika fish spa. Here, tiny Gara-rufa fish gently nibble at your skin. It sounds strange, but people come from everywhere seeking the healing powers of the waters. For adventure lovers, Sivas offers Yildiz Mountain, a newly developed ski center. Even in summer, the views from the high altitudes are breathtaking, perfect for hiking and spotting wildflowers. The cool, crisp air was a welcome change from the city heat. Next, they took a historical detour far south to Divriji. This district holds a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Divriki Great Mosque and Hospital, Ulu Camiyi ve Darussifa. It is a masterpiece of early Anatolian architecture. Alara examined the incredible shadow play carvings on the mosque. The geometry is so precise that at certain times of the day, shadows form the shape of a praying man. It's like a secret carved into the stone by builders over 800 years ago. After so much history, it was time for food and craft. Sivas is famous for Sivas kaftezi, delicious meatballs, and their local pottery crafts are world-renowned. They even tried helping a craftsman shape clay near the banks of the Kızılırmak River, Turkey's longest river. As the sun set over the vast central Anatolian landscape, Alara and Sinan knew they had only scratched the surface of Sivas. From the grandeur of the Seljuks to the strength of the Kangal dogs and the wonder of its natural thermal waters, Sivas was truly a city of cultural and historical treasures.